Hi there, welcome to our demo session on how to configure self-service policy settings in JiJi Password Reset Suite. Using self-service policy settings, you can create unique policies for specific users, such as admins, programmers, housekeeping, etc., just as granular password settings in Windows Server 2008. Here, you can configure unique settings in each policy, depending upon the scope of users available in it, and their importance. In JiJi Password Reset Suite, we have two-way authentication during self-service password reset, which are as follows. Question-answer based challenge, mobile code verification. Let's go to Self-Service Settings tab. Here, this policy is created by default, with default settings, and it is applied to the scope, which was selected during the JiJi Password Reset Suite installation. Here, I select this policy to configure the self-service settings. First, we have Enrollment Questions setting. This setting consists of enrollment questions and their configurational settings for user enrollment. Here, by default, you have 4 enrollment questions. You can add your own custom questions, select the language as per your requirement, and import from built-in questions. You can also select the specific questions as mandatory, and change the answer length for each questions. Then, save the settings. Using enrollment settings, you can configure the number of enrollment questions to be answered, and their answer lengths. Enrollment settings consists of question settings and answer settings. In question settings, you can configure the number of enrollment questions to be answered by the self-service user, and allow the number of custom questions to be answered by the self-service user. In answer settings, you can configure the minimum answer length for your custom questions. You can also allow the same answers for different questions as per your requirement. In security settings, you can configure the self-service users to view the hidden text and to allow case-insensitive answers. Here, you can also configure incorrect answer lockout settings and CAPTCHA display settings. Here, I enable show hidden text and save the changes. Now, I go to self-service users page and enroll a user account. Now, you can confirm that the hidden text can be viewed. In CAPTCHA display settings, by default, background noise level, line noise level, and font warping level are set to none. You can set it to low, medium, high, or extreme. You can also change the length of CAPTCHA display text. Here, I set the value as 5, and save the settings. Now, you can notice the changes in the CAPTCHA display text in the user's web. In password reset settings, you can configure whether to answer all questions, or any random question, during password reset. You can also configure general password reset settings and password change settings. In unlock settings, you can allow the self-service users to unlock their account, either by answering the security questions, or without answering the security questions. Using Applies to setting, you can select the scope, such as user, group, OU, or domain, to which the self-service policy will be applied. Auto-enroll user settings consists of enrollment data settings and auto-enrollment settings. Using enrollment data settings, you can select your own enrollment questions and spot the corresponding answer attribute. Using auto-enrollment settings, you can apply the enrollment settings to the users, either in the selected Active Directory objects, or in the scope of the selected self-service policy. I select this policy and press Enroll. Now, the users under this policy are bulk enrolled. Mobile code verification setting adds an additional security layer during self-service password reset for improved security. Here, provide the service provider's email ID, type the subject, and then, in the body, provide the detailed information, along with the format code. When a self-service user resets his password, the format code will be replaced by a generated, secret code, and it is finally sent to self-service user's mobile. Then the self-service user uses this code to reset his password. To ensure the proper mail transfer, during mobile code verification, you have to configure this, Mail Server Settings. If you prefer to use the Mail Server Settings, which you specified in the Admin tab Settings, then, you can check this option. Else, configure your own settings. Here, I provide my custom values. To test the settings, press this option. Finally, in Self-Update Policy, you can allow, or deny, the self-service users, in updating their personal information, in the user web, by enabling, or disabling, the Active Directory attributes, present in this page. Here, I disable this attribute, so that, self-service user, will not be able to update this information. To make it more clear, I log into user web. Then press About Me tab. Here you can clearly see that the disabled attribute is not editable, so that it cannot be updated. We feel happy in providing with you the demo on self-service policy settings in JiJi Password Reset Suite. For queries, feel free to contact us at support@jijitechnologies.com. Looking forward to serve you better. Thank you.